Throw that away. Okay, find the stickers. Anybody use this? I've never used it. What else does it come with? Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today we're going to be reviewing a product that will make your bank accounts cry. Yes, you were right. This is the Macbook Pro 13-inch, and I recently got it, and I'm willing to review it to everyone, and we'll see at the end if it's worth buying. Let's begin. Small disclaimer before, the reason why I'm buying, well, my parents bought this laptop for me. I have to say a huge thanks to my dad and mom, because they spent all this money on me. So thank you so much, dad and mom, for this, because I want to be able to have gotten it for myself. And this is mainly for college reasons, for editing, especially for my new videos out. My old laptop was not able to do that, and I've been doing most of my editing on my phone. So there's going to be a switch up, so I'm glad for this, and let's see if it's worth it. Very excited. So this has some weight to it, like it's pretty heavy, so let's see. Oops, here we go. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh, ooh. By the way. Right. Look at this, guys. Oh wow. Look at this. I've been wanting this laptop for how long? Oh my goodness, it's crazy. Yay! Okay, so let's. Oh, it's already opening. Okay, let's start. Ooh. There we have it. Okay, so side note, guys, I actually opened this package before the video, so that's why it looks rough. But this is basically the laptop as it is right now, and I'm gonna show you everything from start to end right now. Okay, so my repackaging skills are the utmost worst, and I'm sorry, I apologize for that. So throw that away. Look at it, it is right here. Oh my goodness. I got this space gray version. Let me show y'all. I got this space gray version. So pretty. I really prefer the space gray because it gives you that kind of professional CEO kind of vibe, and I'm loving this. So we're going to do like every other YouTube video, put it to the side quickly right there, and we're going to be doing what's inside the box. So it comes with a USB-C port cable. You can see that. Camera's here. And it comes with instruction manuals. Does anybody actually read these? It comes with the stickers. What is the point of the stickers? Anybody use this? I've never used it. What else does it come with? Right, things you don't need. So it also comes with a charging block. I think it's a little bit different from the last MacBook Air version, but yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's actually set up the laptop inside. Here we go. It is turning on for itself. Ooh, look at that. We got the touch bar going on. This is what I want this laptop for, the touch bar. It's so cool. There we go. As I said before, I already set it up, so all those initial settings are pretty basic, but yeah. Is my touch ID going to work? I'm gonna put my thing in. Okay, so let me put that in for you guys, and then we're gonna get into it. Okay, so it's currently in the process of loading in. I'm so excited. The color is so amazing. The quality of the screen and everything is just fantastic. Hurry up. And there we go. Oh, I was watching some Netflix. My bad. Have it, guys. The laptop is finally on. This is my wall screen. And oh my goodness, the touch bar is amazing. The volume. We have brightness. This is crazy. I love this so much. It is honestly so useful. And let's see, what else do we have? And the keyboard, recently they changed the keyboard to I think butterfly keyboard, and the keyboard works amazing. It just feels so much better and cleaner than the magic keyboard that they had before, so I'm glad they changed that. So I recently, when I posted my wallpaper on my Instagram, a lot of people are asking how I did it, so I'm going to show you step by step on how I got this wallpaper and how you can achieve the same thing too, and also just some ways I customize my laptop to suit my needs, and I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this part too. get the achieved look for the wallpaper, I'm going to use Canva. All you have to do is search it up on Google or Google Chrome, and you're going to put in create design, and you could choose from any one of these specifically what you want your design to be, but we're going to choose desktop wallpaper. And if you want, you could put your own dimensions into the size of your screen your computer is specifically, but this size here works just enough for me. And you're gonna go into either photos that they give you on the app itself, and you could basically just drag and place. But since we don't want those, you could also upload your own photos, which I have done at the side here. And you could personally just attach your phone to your computer and upload your own pictures and just drag them across and place. Or you could do what I did is go on Pinterest like this, and you could basically just go on and you could copy each picture and place it into your Canva setting, and it's basically what I did to these over here. I don't know why they're coming out so big, so we're gonna delete this here. But yeah, we're basically gonna drag and we're gonna do like this, overlay. My favorite thing is overlaying the picture because it gives you that kind of aesthetic feel. Oh my goodness, I can't speak. And it's basically just all you do to your desire, and then you're gonna click download when you're finished, and you click download, and that's pretty much it. And that is how you get this desired look right here. Okay, so a lot of people have been wondering like what is the purpose of having a touch bar. Basically it's just to make simple things in the keyboard easier to access. So as I showed before, like the volume, the brightness, taking screenshots. If you want your simple emojis, you basically just put it up at the side here and you could like type it, and it's so cool. I just really like to play with this part where you could just like scroll through, you have every single emoji ever, and it's just really fun to like play with. And for some people it may not be necessary, but I find it very necessary to me. Kind of like when you're using your iPhone, it has the predictive text right here, and sorry about that, the predictive text right here. Also the keyboard lights up in the dark, which I really appreciate because my last laptop did not do that, and typing in the dark was almost impossible because it didn't light up. So that was pretty useful. And yeah, so basically you could do simple editing things, just typing. If you want to do like bold or underline or just like, you know, change the color, it's pretty simple. You know, you highlight, press bold, underline, italics, and it does that for you. And you could also change the color scheme, which I like. I love to see the colors here. So you could change it to whatever color you want. I'm gonna leave it to like that light blue color, and then you have it right there. So yeah. Do on this also, what I recently found out is a touch bar pet. So it is basically a fun little download that you can do where you could get your own pet on the touch bar. So you basically go down to this area, this website, and you can download this pet right here, and it basically tells you what it does, basic animation setup, what it does when you open the app, and how to take care of your pet. And how you actually see this is when you go to your downloads right here, you will double click on touch bar pet, and it will appear on your touch bar, which you cannot see right now, but it basically shows you what happens to your pet and how you can play with it. So this is basically what your touch bar pet will look like. You could play with it with the ball, you could pet it and feed it. So it's pretty cool, all these things you could do with it. I mean, it's not really like necessary, but it's just these little things that help. So this may not apply to everybody, but for those who are actually buying the MacBook to do editing, as I am, using the touch bar here is so useful for editing, making clips and cutting it so easy. So as you can see here, I have a project here open already, which I already edited. So if you haven't seen my last video, go check it out. If you want to cut clips, let's say you want this piece taken off, all you do is press split, and it splits for you, and you could just delete pieces that you don't need or what you don't want, and it's pretty easy like that. And I really do love this application because it's such an easy thing to use, especially for the new people who are switching from Windows to MacBook as I am. I'm going to show you my old computer and the troubles I had to go through. Okay guys, so this is my old laptop. It is an Acer Boeing, ready to take off a flight because oh my goodness, this thing can make noise with the simplest task. We got hacked on this laptop, we got robbed on this laptop, everything on this laptop, so it has a lot of memories, but it's coming to an end. And basically I just couldn't edit on this at all. It was so slow, it took forever to do anything possible. It was shut off randomly, so I had to get a new laptop, especially for college and everything online classes, because doing Zoom meetings on this made it look like it was back in the 1950s where cameras did not exist. So I really needed a new laptop, and this is very helpful. So I'm kidding, I'm gonna sell this. The trackpad. So the trackpad is so amazing. You can actually change the force click. So if I want light, I don't know if you can hear it when I'm clicking, but that's light. If I want medium, and if I want firm, it just gets a little harder, but I love and you could change the tapping of it because I'm so fed up of just pressing down on things. Tracking speed. So this basically is just the speed of how your mouse goes across. Have you ever realized that sometimes your mouse is like lagging and you want it to go faster? Well, with this you can make it go slow. So I'm literally trying to go across the screen right now. It's going so slow. But if I want it to go a little faster without sticking, it goes like this. And if I want it extremely fast to the point where I can't see it, there's that. But I like to keep mine on medium, and I find this so helpful because who hates lagging? Nobody does. So hot corners are mostly important too. Basically what this does is if you want to lock your screen just like automatically without touching the button, you can choose lock screen right here. And if I go to the side, it automatically locks. So I'm gonna unlock it just like that. And yeah, and you can choose different things too. If you want your lock screen to be on this side, if you want your launch pad, you click on this side, it'll appear here. So just those basic little things. If you don't want it, you can always disable or start screen or just leave it as it is and press OK. And that's pretty much it for that. Customization tip for your MacBook is docks. Basically how this works is that you go to your system preferences and you click on dock, and you can choose how the size of your dock, if you want it to be small, if you want it to be big. I like mine full size. You can even make it large, but it doesn't make any sense because it's as big as it goes. You could also position it to the left, to the bottom, to the right. I know a lot of people like it like to the left and right, but I like mine to the bottom. Easy for me to see. And you have all these customizations to show how you want it, so you just basically click and choose what you like. I don't like to call myself a tech savvy person because I'm still learning a lot about technology, but I know some people might be wondering how many megabytes, how much space do I have on my laptop. So I'm gonna go through step by step how I purchased my laptop. This laptop took like about a month to come down because of the COVID, and I picked it up in the store because of my customization stuff. I had to do it where it took like a month to come down. So finally it's here. So I'm going to show you step by step how I prepared my laptop, and y'all can decide if it's necessary for you, but this is necessary for me. So this is going to be the step by step on how I purchased my MacBook. So we're going to go on Macbook Pro 13-inch model, and so basically I'm just going to show you what I chose specifically for my laptop. So I chose the Space Gray model, the 14,001, and we're gonna go and purchase and see what options they have. Perfect. So I chose the i7 core processor model because most of these colleges that were recommended to me, and I'm doing digital media, they recommended the iCore 7 processor, which is like 10 times faster than the laptop I had before. And you can stick with the i5 depending on what you want. If you want to do fast video editing, a lot of just like computer work and programming, which I'm going to be doing later on in life, you're gonna want a flash processor, and I chose the 16 gigabytes for space, and I stuck to the standard specs for this one, and I did not get Final Cut Pro because that is a little off the hook for me. And then you're gonna go and purchase, and that's pretty much it. And so far it's working out pretty well for me, and yeah, that's pretty much how I set up my MacBook. Hey guys, so thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed all the tips and tricks and customizations I did for you, and I hope that you can use it in the future. If it was helpful, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope that you're able to purchase one for yourself too, and let me know if you do, and I can also personally help you to purchase it for yourself. So see you soon.